Hello everyone, welcome back once again. Today also the topic will be phonics H alphabet. Phonics H alphabet. Remember one thing, in phonics we are going line by line. Each and every topics have been included. That is the first with the alphabet. How to read the alphabet, how to write the alphabet, how to say its word starting with the alphabet, starting with the respective alphabet. Then we came for the blends. And after blends, we saw all using those blends. We are seeing now the words, how to form the words, Now see here. Today we are seeing H. Today we will be seeing now which alphabet? H alphabet. H. H says ha. Horse. Now this is also one of the important in phonics. Horse. Now ha, he, ho, ha. Ha, he, ho, ha. Now see here. Hat. Hat. Ham. Has. Like that. We'll go for the next blend. See here. Hair. If we add M after hem. Hen. That is long sound. Hell. Okay. We'll revise once again from ha to hell. See. Ha, he. So blend. Hat. Hat. Ham. Has. Like that for hem. Hen. That is hell. Like that. He. Him. Hit. Hid. Hog. Hot. Hop. Then comes hum. Hut. Hull. That is long sound. This I am linking each and every time. It's because you should remember, you should recollect the sounds, recollect the blend, recollect the digraphs. Wherever necessary, you should tell me, yeah, this is a digraph. Not to me, but by yourself, you should think and tell by yourself to you. It's a digraph. It's a long sound. It's a blend. Using those blend, we are making words. And this is the main important topics in phonics if you go by this way. Now see again. Horse. Repeat. Horse. Like that, we are forming here words. That is 3-letter words we are forming using those blends. Each and every blend we have completed from B to Z we have completed. A, E, I, O, U we will use in each and every blend. Hence it's excluded as its vowel. See, ha, he, ho, ha. Hat, ham, has. He, him, hen, hell. He, him, hid. Hog, hot, hop. Hum, hut, hull.